Sandumelani. This is your boy Kev, all the way from Kansas. Mkonti bafethu ngihamba ne-outhama amavocha.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Kule shavuli.
Danko.
Yebo, thank you.
Yes. Ngayinga kuleft over siphethu siyakhothe General.
Tanko izinja bafethu.
Generali, nzwili. Generali. Keep that in mind.
Ukapaka.
Amavocha. Yazi ngimbiza boy. Osina police. Osina police. Osina police bafethu. Hey. Bese saka nje bafethu ehamba la emoyeni sihabule sonke maka sazi ukuthi iqiniso eliphi. Bafethu nakukhulunywa ukuthi match fixing South Africa against was it Rwanda? Abathi sibhadele umuntu walo. Yeah, the keeper, Mtwaro Kimani.
Oh, fierce, Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper.
They say we paid him. How can you pay someone to lose the game? Like the qualification of World Cup, everyone was there. Kimau Kankanchelete. Like
Nigeria.
I'm being specific. Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Because on Facebook, my page was Nigerian. They always talk about South Africa. And they learn to a page in Nigeria, but they are coach in Nigeria. So angazi which is which, mara mina ngithi Nigeria because you know more.
Nice. I think this that is distraction. You could distract nje the preparation start for the upcoming tournament next year, including the one AFCON. So like about distractor from no, it demand games. And they know that thing I didn't say because of now. FIFA ever involved in such a way where feel a pressure like you obliged to family ila talent tonyana so. First debate banganda 3 points by ngandi. No se ba khutla ka hore they believe like a match it was fixed and stuff and tonyana tse jwalo so like into tse ngata man. Ya Kenya la shandisi man ya poa ding. So like I think FIFA lona Kenya in a sense hore the allegations nyana tse so ke da ntse etsa la lefatsheng kaofela not just team Mzansi
and the AKC
one tall I really sure like vele ke ntho etsa etseng just because ha ne re sa qualify ne tlo ba ntho e jwang say maybe Benin ke yone qualify ileng gona go zala di playoffs
ne ba tlotsa go ntse ba batlang
one tall so like I think the day against team Mzansi or like qualify so like I was very sharp especially teams that in Africa kaofela wabo so like I was very sharp or isan the South Africans they will cup you was a ticket I did play for what they will cup they can direct
and another thing nantseki ekibonile I don't know the allegations that are South Africa match fixing and whatsoever na ne ke retaliate ka re Nigeria yona ke yone ka be yentse match fixing.
Babo.
Mara ke tshontswe, don't get me wrong, ke tshontswe but the way ba beleng ka teng na ke mana claim tshwantse be ka.
No mabathi siyenzile match fixing nabo bayenzile ke.
Because into icabanga yile nto yenza.
Exactly.
Because of if you can check most the allegations so they shall from one nation. As you chill like we know specify like Nigeria. So lena ke believe like Nigeria ke yone latelang these things. All of these nations why this are telling
you think actually net 3 points
I mean like Nigeria and then Benin there to follow up
follow up because number 1
exactly so like when we had a mission finally the mission target or attacking when I fight gona go lona
sizwinele
and especially
and go lona ground
especially prosthetic leg
so I think
sishayile ngarani
didenge ya Kenya because of no it enter Mzansi
because everything it total ambatona no match fixing
Mzansi understand
we on the verge already the country it's
one tall ntonyana tse jwalo so like I think nje dadinyana tse so dia bora FIFA tlamele nke di matches tse lo no di sera so like ntonyana tse so if ever you accuse a nation a country so utle diding
valid of character
exactly because of now libona mfethu alino Nigeria ga tsebe like you qualify group ya bona tough mfethu na Cameroon
that is why ba protester ngalayiling
one tall
because bayabona ukuthi yes
tough
yo
kunzima
akusafana namanye amagame
mfana khona manje into engiyibonile they said siyenza match fixing but there's no concrete evidence So mabahamba
ke allegation anyway, but then
Yeah,
yabo
ama-allegation
mabahamba bayodlala bawine mangabe bayawina badle mangabe
so wabona peni ba tsa evano ko tsona tse reng re mix fixing peni tlo ba ka October ineng draw October ne November this month.
Yeah,
think
the World Cup.
World Cup. I think late this month or early December.
Yeah.
Somewhere there.
Ma usually hlala December.
December, yeah. I think
Usually
ka draw.
December.
Ke go to film anything go like I Mzansi. Ile ba plakile ku group mama. Whereas bona santsane ba khobolosa.
Mzansi bafethu nake
Abazowina abazongena bakuleyo party bo.
Sibabonisa ama Flames.
World Cup. So like I think South Africa surprised the nation step by ka we qualify because of ngile na kwelang qualify.
So
like,
instead of them being behind our back because we don't represent Africa more than thing.
Mara mfana we saw it coming.
It's fine, bangasupport.
Yeah. We saw it coming ever since Hugo Bros vela fihlile mo Mzansi. Re bona go like really change tse etsaetseng.
Yeah, that's my thing. Bafuna ukulisa
exactly.
Balusa thina siqualify.
Wangithola.
Into mistake eyenzakele le kade bomkhwena. Phela.
Into
engayenzakalanga. Ngabe su number 1 ngangazi nga how many points.
Like spoon food.
Yeah, ngithola. So no ibeef yabukuthi lezi nje lezi ziqualifyile grand ziclean. So bazofuna something match fixing.
Mhlawumbe bashaya ne-goal difference bashaya ngama-points.
Yonke into.
Everything.
And
manje yabona benze njengokisho ukuthi bebabheka i-prosthetic leg. Bashaya inyawo elibonga kanti inyawo zethu zimile. Zisada.
So nje South Africa ba blessitse dikwale mara we hope like the allocations tse vele ke maka sentho etselong
moya
ibile plus wa bona no rona re focusitse ku preparing AFCON so like mindset rona ko AFCON
tsena sipi
a tsebe ke wisha nga re ka kopana le bona at later stage la ko AFCON ntwa ke sa tsebeng go ba teng go jwang a ke tsebe Nigeria o teng go ba e batho ba teng so a wisha nga re ka hlakana later stage go le bona bo
Side,
idlala kamnandi.
Like I'm still like confused and surprised though why Asemu squatting. Because there's a rumor that says Hugo Bros I Ramubati on top. I know keep player it can represent
like
country enough to win an So what do we make of that then? Because I think he's on fire.
When I cook.
And we need him.
More
AFCON.
Can I cover?
Spanish moving forward. And on actually Chocobarilla Kawati, little replacement. Don't you think?
When I'm not you lodge.
I'm
not.
And that represents
I'm not going out as Hugo Bros. I think no. Angiyacabanga ngeke sakhethe iplayer like elizoba new to a squad in
this as for me
yangithola because of now it's like sekabuildile there's no use ukuthi yangithola sekaza ama player wakhe that is why aringe noSile ukuthi mfethu ubuyele ejimini yangithola because uyazi ukuthi ngiyamdinga because lo muntu lo yonke lento engibuildile bekada that is why nomshisha mfuna la that yangithola so no angaba i-replacement ya someone maybe let's say iqhawatheka maybe someone on the wing maybe nomremi naye
so yeah ngifuna ukuya if abomremi don't come to the party
then angathi lodge zwakala ngithola nami I doubt ukuthi uzomkhetha but then kunzima mfana ukubuild i-team ne okay lodge bekangadlali la ku Sundowns abo level lapha iziseka yenzana ngithola bamshanga amaluna yenzana but bekabona ukuthi man kule ndaba kalodge akuna direction so maybe yena bekamfuna you will never know but then uyabona bayambhayizisa untwana bamisa le nale uyale uyila clone uyabuya kadlali yenza naye yamkhawatha yangithola yangithola so no lodge ubuye ngamasimba wenza izinto lekuyidade amfana kuzoba nzima
mara I think mfana for Hugo mfana istress esimnandi in fact the whole technical team bafana
true
istress esimnandi because of abana no natural la ka lodge really le Mzansi ezohula re lodge ufihlile and asintolo ngakuyibona kayibona kafela wona lodge udlala kamnandi vele umnandi week in week out assist assist wanet
Cool.
umnandi ke player ini la mvelo kokai
Karamandi.
one shot because of Lotchi for na ke player ya di big matches ya big games one shot ke player di big games ngabona
nge-FIFA Club World Cup.
exactly like you surprised about Bapa
and wabona didn't get one but Papa yona the reason why didn't keep winning out why Lotch pa samkhetsi ku bafana bafana ba raise dintho tsa hore motho na perform against Man City ling wa ngithola ntho
FIFA Club World Cup for na personally Lotchi ka FIFA Club World Cup ke ena player e leng lo iphamisitse lutso e tswang ko South Africa okay Sundowns ne le la ba representile mnati badlala
representile mnati
one shot shaba dladile
ba representile mnati
mara Lotchi da ntwana yo
ba representile mnati Sundowns
tsaki
ba representile mnati
uya ka nna mfethu ba representile great
mnati
ba re beile feli wabo
what dispute
ba re beile
ba represent actually go the group stage
he will cook wabo so Lotchi mfethu yena vetsa ga tsa keng ke di kena o Men City of Men City Pep kwa yela ba tlotse ba ke ba lata eno ba lati
wala toto
like ka fela ne really
lati
okay mzansi wale balanyane ka Sundowns wa na le Lotchi da
yabona ke nayo ke representation
so like Lotchi mfethu
nayo ke
Lotchi mfethu like na
representation
be mzansi so feel wabo
wathi Lotchi mncanyule from bar adlala Kaizer Chiefs shapa long range against Ronaldo mashapile ngaro
ka
play e re dlalang currently vele e re le ko semi final before to ba knockout
before kuzoba
then a re ya wabo
so lo le dawo ni ka tseba khwa di scam
I think
Look 21 Jones la kora da
the coach play extra
njengoba
njengoba
bedlala AFCON
usala
njengoba kora da
buku extra straight extra
bekungasu
hayi
shoot nje njengoba uyuka fikile
asodlala Lotchi
ayabona kushuthi
nesantsana lilo no the thing is with Hugo Bros uconsider age ya Lotchi more than and then uconsider le di upcoming young players still go ngahlela mo PSL currently
abadlala same position
badlala same position le like in fact you can not take away the fact that really ubile a good season previous
and since afikile
in fact so like ngabona Lotchi na paise at the time ke yonto nenyane phamisal tso wa understand
okay
ke nthonyana tse jwalo so but then ke player re need amba ge a ga ba experience anta ngai ga need I think le dintwana tse bo mtu plus ke role model ko ntwana ka ba motivated to ga
but I think njengoba umshisha limele bekangamkhethi
you understand
ona tshotho koba like ubua ka hore there's upcoming players balong ba banyane considering age ya Lotchi ne na I still think hore mo di players tse re buang ka tsona nache a re bua ka work ethic they're on the same level despite the age
okay sharp
true but Hugo Bros njengoba bekafika ushilo wathi yena phela nokuthi akhithi umshishi uyawathatha isikhathi
uthatha isikhathi and
yangamfuni
remember lidi we
bekasho ukuthi yes uyadlala he's the best player but
asiplayer ka play
we have to build into ningani because of if somthatha no simspanisi uzospana what happens in 5 years
wetsalano before 5 years
wetsalano injalo so bakhroti
uyabona bhekana nokhawathi
I think ubalela ntwe ka Lotchi ubalela riding
I think ubalekela lezo
that might be a valid point right
but that doesn't mean ukuthi asimdingi
exactly but no hence I'm saying ukuthi uLotchi if they bamchoosile bekazo replace uRele kahle but now awona motho now yakana awona motho ke nana ngore o replace Rele Chokobatsi uyakana now
akekho
vele
so ke mone di da Lotchi thing despite the age so o for monyana motho ke sponsor but understand like ke system ya go sponsor ke Hugo
le technical team ba bona
either way if bafana becoachwa uwatu bezombiza
le bezomlanda
because leya uyayibona leya ifuna performance rotation
and a lot of dynamic
manje sifuna performance manje ukuthi umdala so lo mudeliver mfana you remember boNombete Nombete mfana he was old but he was performing dlula intwana encane angifuni ukuya ngale kubo Ronaldo
yona experience ekubuanga yona
you understand but
that is why ngithi mina abambize ene plus iAFCON when udlala va le eAfrica
experience angale mnandi and the challenge kuleli kadlala kuwo
Uyabona?
Because of
Cause umshisha akekho.
currently mfana
Uyabona abantu abaye emaligini ane competition.
Uyabona
Bolodge.
currently mfana
Uyabona abantu
currently mfana ulochi ngicabanga ukuthi pick yakhe uyi-revivile VV. No ulochi upick upile a lot.
That is why lento besitrina last week. I'll tell you, if you are mentally fit and okay and happy, I'll tell you will play the best football ever.
There's a book in Proverbs. Proverbs when they be an artist.
Yeah.
Why are ibile mutashite na modi ya fitness. Yes, you can focus on fitness, but fitness alone won't be enough. So you need to do things holistically. So that simply means your relationship confirm, but exactly. Those things, it's a winning combo. But once you focus on one thing, it's more like utela amanze spaghetti in limbo. Understand? So I think Lodge is in the right environment, right space. That's why it's actually performing like this. And now, mama melili kyangara. Nyawubukela amagame, mama melili kyangara. Lodge is a big name.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that ain't you want to like Mzansi, your produce. Quality players. Because of no, hence kichi like technical team abafana no. Ishaki stress simnat. Anton. Simnat. Say no article like among because of no they are spoiled for choice or like what's like oh limited kanka mo game. No, redalla va redalla mumukas. Abatwala nyan badala international. Not to say like abayomnati ba bad but then to focus because of competition say like you say irresistible. Understand? Understand? So like Machita Pamisal so and I think Kichilo last week. Okay. No qualify for World Cup no. Was a lot of AFCON. Yeah. These other teams more PSL no.
Yeah. Pamisal so.
That is why being it's good. Team Mzansi. Nabona the best footballing countries. Mabati Spain, Brazil.
Yeah.
I'm told England, in South Africa.
I would say we've a better league
in Africa.
Well, not in Africa, even in South America, like Brazil. So Brazil, Liga Brazil, team Santos maybe.
Flamengo.
Yes, again.
The Big Five.
Yeah.
The thing is obvious. Onaka yimzansi shaki time zone. Remember Brazil ko South America, time zone. So
talking about the standard of soccer, the league actually.
Yeah, league.
That's what I'm saying. We're better than other leagues.
Yeah. Okay,
so true.
Usual, but then football wise, we're almost similar to Brazil.
Yeah, we are.
We are similar to Brazil because of Brazil is a football nation. You're right,
but that doesn't make them
the best country and the best league. Rona phela upo like remnateka administration ya wona mnati.
Like be specific,
like people who run South African football. Even though my administration ya wona mnati in what? In acquiring the sponsors.
Oh.
Understand? So that's why it's like Liga Rona a better league.
So what about
best league?
What about the development side of things?
Or like the league se tshwana le Brazil. We consider like the best in but then what I can tell you, now the teams in Brazil. Exactly. Why? Because of administration. I am not. Marketing yabon. I am not. You understand? Whereas now I can tell you, South African fan PSL, Betway Premiership, top.
England, top. You have a shine marketing.
Yeah.
That's
why England
everyone. Yeah. Because of everything to Shai Barcelona and the Corre 2, yeah. Corre already Bellingham. Ha. Uluzwile le viki lonke leli. Ntanga ubukela game lase England bazokutshela ukuthi yeah Bellingham ukorile.
Exactly. They know how to market
Mabamaketha ama-player wabo.
Bakhona uwamaketha great.
Bona ntho e le buang, it takes us back to the ya di-coach tsa South Africa. They have to learn something from Hugo Bros. Ngeke ntwana uthi ke ama-player wakho they on form. Nako, okay, let me just make a typical example. Pirates players. We're talking about Makgopa, we're talking about Mbatha. Right? They're on form.
Mbulo, come see.
Yeah, no, like but I want something.
He's on form for national team.
Okay.
Yeah,
and it goes back to Kaizer Chiefs as well. Sharp. Mbule, okay, not Mbule, but I'm talking about these two players.
Yeah, evidence.
They play and they're on form. They're on fire because Una Spirit is already South Africa.
And they scored.
Yeah.
So the next match, whether it's a domestic club or national team, I'm talking about while they're hungry, bro.
Exactly.
Kaizer Chiefs the same thing. We played against King Team Africa. Simba. We played with Simba.
Yeah, Mara the swag one.
The weak one.
Okay, no problem. It's swag or whatever. Yeah. We played with Simba and Kweneka. He scored. Right?
Yeah, I give one. I call number 2.
Who's the?
Got 2 goals.
I call it.
Okay, striker was Fagile.
Igodaro.
Yeah, Igodaro. But then again, why would you bench Motolo Ring? Is already reaching at his peak. So he's about to propose at the ceiling.
Ubuaka, which team?
All of the team, Ubuaka team go fail basically. That's what they do. Like PSL coaches, that's what they do in most cases.
Okay.
So
because of now rotation sometimes it counter already. Bondia play. Chemistry play. Yeah, counter because of now. Little players amongst themselves are disabled came out of the man never. One of these past two games, I think for me, even though there's some need, negotiability game last week. Yeah, you now sent Lupopo and then our coach Mbataza ngamdladis. Like a full strike. Yeah, based on thing analysis the game about Balaka thing go away. Ubata udlala udropa these two balung on form as like a full strike. Agana strike. So
and we scored 3 goals.
And we scored 3 goals without a strike. As long as like a strike. Because we wouldn't say Mbutuma is a out and out strike. So striker solo no si mobile.
He's mobile, yeah.
What is like Makgopa type of strike control. Because of now,
He's not a
leader. Kemile ne renita motho tshwana tsogfo
how can Makgopa? You know, Rukenza Makgopa to
exactly.
And Makgopa can hustle.
Can play.
You know
what? He can play also.
Yeah, he can hustle for the ball, and they said to Mabas is always waiting for the ball.
He's a sniper.
And another thing, yes, he's a sniper. But the reason why they considered Makgopa is because of those attributes and compared to Mabas.
Exactly.
And the philosophy of team.
And the Pirates, whether they correlate without a striker, but I believe the game and penalty.
Exactly.
Because of Kashabali calling police. Keep calling Rinky Motor and target metro out.
Striker. I want to pick for your Pirates. Nduli ukhona why protect you?
That's why I'm pressing. I want team no mabasha counter attack.
Exactly. Kintoki chong like ukhona we protect like pick for. That's why ubona sponsor bo Mbogazi and CM. Bagena confidence those players. Upegu say bengibukele game lanini. Le game le Tuesday. Le play label. They will say my phone na. They will say man adlala ka teng. Anta di switch. The way na like nekala bona say amateur the way na amateur ka teng competitive games adlalile.
You know why?
Na matha like bekadlala too. Like confidence kantwana uyayibona ukuthi yamtshela uwari ukuthi waru never make a mistake uyenze lapha eKhongo. Ukuthi umbhentshe ufake captain yakho. Captain makumele hlale ngaphandle, because of these two uyakana nebacala ukuconsider ka game ya Magesi.
And
nebacala ukuconsider
kunento Pirates eyenzayo encane. And I don't think ukuthi bayabona or angazi ukuthi bayabona, maybe bayiringile or bayenzakala. There's this bayacava ukuthi ama set piece asikho mnandi. Siya concede. Now that David Land Sundowns. ku-MTN 8 sikhonsile ngani
ngeset piece.
Nale game le benidlala manje.
ngale game le la
Consider le one
Tuesday
leg set piece.
set piece. So no, mangicoach or singama-player besides i-coach asingaringi i-coach singama-player saringi ukuthi madoda niyazi ukuthi asikho mnandi.
Ayisebenzele lento le.
No foul kulama area lawo. Okay, no corner ngeke uyilwise but asizameni no corners. No foul no in. Awayenzelwe leyo. Uyakhumula ama-stand udlala ibhola ukuthi mamkaphe le yafini yakhe. So I think i-mistake abayithuna bekungamelanga kube mina kune-group engikuyo ebhakani. Ngisho the same thing bekungamelanga abamfoul untanga lapha. There was no need. Iscore 2-0. Just protect
isikhathi sesiphelile.
I-goal side yakho. Isikhathi siphelile zimele ibhola lidlalele le. Balibuyisele emuva bayenze. It's fine. Uthunile iscore siyalead.
I-Pirates inkinga yazibona ukwenzani. There's, let's say for an example, if you're off position, banele tendency le ukuthi bamaki play 1 boy 2. And another bamaki play 1 boy 2, i-player le lose ibhola. Uyabona ukuthi ibhola bezowina ubani. Then oyi-1 ayenze clumsy tackle.
Yeah.
Njengo kunale bengibhekele eCalifornia, I think ulibona nobani side ngala. Baphase uNtwana wagijima nebhola. Le ukuthi ibhola beselimshila uNtwana. Kune-play Pirates bephambili kancane. Losemuva.
Committee foul.
Yeah, committee foul. Umthashithe fela.
Bro, it's the same thing enzeke e-DRC.
Exactly.
Nge-goal lesi 2. Same thing.
Ele half volley.
U-TLB bekungamelanga ayifoul le out le. Le out le ibhola bekazoya esayidini untanga.
Pushela ngaphandle.
Bekazoya esayidini untanga. Bekumele nje na cover u-chain ukuthi mina thi ngicover le space. Ukuthi untanga whatever yenzayo maybe siyenza ikhona whatever. Kwaba wayenza ifoul. Foul le yalidlela to i-goal lesi 2. Then yabo yinto engisho lama mistake nana lawo ukuthi hey sometimes you don't need to just guide goal side ngimnandi umyekele untanga noma ngabuyisela ibhola emuva it's fine as long as China grand grand
and I think with these big teams let me just be specific with Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs we njengoba usho ukuthi you're not good ngama set piece and we know ukuthi we're good ngama set piece you know that you go to combination plays we know that we good but we're not at that peak. You understand? The game level izolo. Mfana like I was frustrated. Ntokuqala dog, we know that we good ngama set piece. We don't take corners, we take short corners. Ama free kick, we take short free kicks. Igoli lingenile, lingene nge cross. So yabonisa lento le ukuthi mfethu even if a coach or an assistant coach or whoever babhekele coach, they can't tell me that they can't like abayiboni lento njengoba usho na ukuthi ama player nabayazi ukuthi bafethu lento yaphezulu eSpanish. You understand? Kinto lo mbayitsiba but now I want to know it's why pressure or it's why message from the coach or right into bayitha.
No, mina usamzu sidlalela ibhola sonke. Niyazi. Mayingaspani into i-coach silingeza ama-play ukuthi ayisithishile le ngiya.
Obviously
asenzini into sifuna ukuyenza thina siyibonayo kule game ledlala kulo ukuthi asenzini so bafethu. So mina mfana ngiyakutshela ku Chiefs I'm still tell you namanje. They just need one player. Bola uthi one. Anyone. Haya baya. Anyone ibola. Yazi njani? Yabona unemthajelo unjani? Yambona umbathu unjani? Yambona ngizoya ku Sundowns.
Two different players.
Yambona umshishi unjani? Yambona uTebs unjani? Tebo Mkweni. A player sothi malikhona sazi ukuthi this guy can stand his ground. We need that play. Abantu ababhayi bacabanga ukuthi uThabo ucela uzobele lo player.
Iyofanele nekushibilela ile
ngiyangithola
high expectations.
Ngiyangithola akusile lo player le. That's why ngasho kule episode lawa ukuthi uyiphathi ye package ezoyenza into e-right ku Chiefs but he's not that guy. He's not that guy.
So the honest truth mfana, iplayer esike sabani nayo, sagcina ukuba nayo player
elinjani uRenelo Lisulunyana. Thank you. You need a Renelo Lisulunyana. You need a Siphiwe Shabalala.
Yeah, that's what
Uyangithola yabona lawo ma player lawa njani. They need those players. So no, ngithi ngisho mina play. Out edla le Golden Arrows. Idlala emidlili. Manxele. Yabona mengathi Chiefs bengathola le yantwana. Chiefs. Sengiyamakethela manje. Bayabona leliya. Ngiyakutshela uthi.
Nabo Chiefs wezinebhatla. Ngiyambona phansi bambele ku positioning yengwa ngithola. Bansi mfethu when it comes to Mompegi, phela mtho khona phasa left and right. Mompegi nato spanel. Then re nka ox re metsa slave side. Whatever ball e lo rinyatla.
Yeah, and you need to change le ndaba ka Ox naye mele ba change.
Oh,
yazi mele bamenzile. Yazi mele bamenzile ta.
Kankani.
Ngone bamfundisa ukuphasa ejimini. Bamtshela abe ne-session yakhe ukuthi wena mele ukwazi ukuphasa.
And uyazoshawa yini
Kumele ukwazi ukuphasa uthiyama.
Uflex to a point of mobile. Unamuntu udlala combination play. Afihla boyena bola tshontsa ise kopile like through ball. Unkile nako ka pass ba khatsa ball wena account.
Akhona breaker win.
Into akhona breaker win. Ukread game. Ezinye izinto yazimfana uma uyiplay uyazi ezinye izinto awuyiplay. Awuyiplay na uthiyama. Uyabona ukuthi labantu labo bezenalo uma uvelile nawo. Uyabona ukuthi okay uyangaplananga ukwenza so mara nayi kumele ngiyenze. Sometimes mfana mele asathi decision enjani ukuthi njengaleyo ikhuluma leyo badlayile mali izibhola kuyo awuplay na awufuna ama plans ukuthi kumele emfethu
amela ucabange
awucabanga kakhulu
decide
manje ibhola laza kubo uyawashaya run awuthama selfika kuve ukuthi ibhola liyahamba kube into ehamba manje mfana mele bayilungise le thing there mele bayilungise because of as bazokhawathi confidence lamdu bazomkhawathi ukuthi
manje bona sebenza bamkhiphe Elizon
bazomkhawathi ukuthi no Hugo naye uzogcina angasamkhithi
because of no ukhethe
bazokhawathi uvila
umntwana
encane bazoyikhawathi
ubrigado.
Okay babukeli nani balandeleli nisitsheleni ukuthi ngicabanga ngale nto sikhuluma ngayo manje. Don't forget to follow, share, subscribe and like. Siphethe ngalelo hlelo bafethu. And manje bafethu kunale ndaba lemfune ebesikhuluma ngayo last week indaba kaNkoda. uNkoda ngathi uzwile ukuthi nje hayi simbambe ngendlebe. Wayikhwala.
Bathi maye. Ehle kuleze shibo makizinzi ngijwayela amasimba leziya. Inhle ngizozibonisa ukuthi ngubani. Yazi mfana mina ngizokutshela ne. Yabona uNkoda? Da. Leya league.
Yeah.
Leya league leya. Yeah. Awuthiyama angazi usayina i-contract how many seasons ne?
Yeah.
Angazi. Lesi usayine boma 5.
Yeah.
Yabona kule 5 years ngaba i-football of the season kayi 5. Ine row kanje so alebele njalo lekwathatha. And uyazimaketha manje. Phela lapha yakudlala ama player
retire right.
La ayo retire. Uyangithola?
Balandi package.
Bane connection. Maybe kune team emncanywayo bamtshele eFrance. Maybe mfana iMarseille mfana bathe mfana sidinga iplay kanjani kunenye intwana engidlala nayo uNkosi uyangithola into enyane enjalo
kunenye into ekhuluma uNkosi kwi social yakhe. He said a team like Sundowns ne sebasibekile emapini like in the world. But now there's a player approaching, not a player, a fan I think approaching from South Arabia and everything. Bambuza ukuthi udlalela iSundowns. So then it took him back ukuthi if Sundowns itsibuakana, I need to market myself as a Pirates player because Pirates watch Pirates
you don't know it.
You understand?
You don't know Pirates and Chiefs.
Exactly. So
you only know Sundowns.
He's trying to, I think whatever inspired or motivated, it's what he said before Uti. I also want to put my name out there. You remember we spoke about it. We said maybe the decision later because he went to this league, it was because of money. You understand? But now after what he said, I was like, maybe he's got a different look of things. Yeah. Because it's like that. Sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4. I also want to put my name out there so they know it's Pirates. And find out like in Kenzo smile.
No, uzwa mina ngithini. I think ngiyibonile le. I think ngiyibonile lo comment le ne. And all right. Nani? But sizoringa evaru, you know uma uye Saudi yini.
Iza
player angamxaka ukuthi or angammaka 90 minutes what. Hayi. Dlala ama players sewayile la yinyumba yenzani. Wena intwana encane shine my people.
And especially
bulala
especially abuya ku top league yemzansi
yangithola and uhambe
asesepicking yakhe
yangithola but then uyazi izomjumpisela va makafika esquadini sibone ukuthi
amla competition
man but yena makanga phakamisa
But
ahlale
you're right.
abulala
You're right.
ngiyakutshela asipane the way bekasipana ngakhona ku-Pirates ngitho akora yenzina
ashala ama-long range wakhe
ya ama-long range wakhe la wayalibela abalanda then noma afika esquadini at least uyazi ukuthi amana ngiyehlisa I'm still kuleya peak leya benginayo ku-P7 kumele ngiphezulu so noma sesquadini kuye kuzoba just a learning curve uyangithola
and on a point yazi sometimes like uchitha isikhathi sakho khona esikhathini esiningi yiso esidetermina mozoza kwenye team because like let's just say leya team leyadlalelayo imbone ku-Pirates bekabili right yamthatha amisa nayo uyajima uyadlala wenza whatever yenza ngayo makafika esquadini we see ukuthi hayi Nkotha is not getting enough challenge because if you're getting challenge ngara let's say if he was playing kule league yabo Lodge nana lapho besobona ukuthi kodwa bamgurasha and uyayilwela lento leyo you understand
simple example u-Forced Strike
yeah
you can tell ukuthi hayi
idlala i-EPL
le idlala nama-defender serious
winning goal
uyayibona ukuthi le idlala nama-defender serious yabo noma ezinye izinto anokubhayiza but you can tell ukuthi le idlala nama-defender serious
ile nto bengisho last week ngithi uFoster something ku-national team
something hayi something
bamshaka i-critics but still lokho lakutshela ukuthi
uli-crush
nakitodlala
hayi
because of why experience yayo kuyona renila more because of
udlala ubona ukuthi bekagurusha ama-defender kanjani game le-Nigeria bekagurasha
unalento ngehlemele uyibona ka-Foster strong strong blind strong ukhona like defender impampile so ukhona uyiholda ukhona ukuholdela vie and ukhona lu uvaya umatha kabholo like so like that ngiyobona so like league yadlala nkoyona and then phela la kona i-competitive especially ukuthi udlala ukhona bona standard wabo or like okay idlala EPL and obviously the players akhona they am compliment usikali right of course of ngiyagurasha thatha yi emela la ngiyatsona so like obviously them compliment akazilanyana thini them understand hence ubona player like Elono ngenkathi skipper i-Egypt AFCON besidlala ngobani ngumthiba kasekho ku lineup ye-national team abamselect nokumselect why because of those leaks tse Hugo Bros nabuwa ka tsona bathi di-player di tsamaye lidlale league tse lego no adio recognizable akubabona
no
understand boluza sing umkineneni ene ke play lo nyadla
le umthiba le no ba ikhethe squading
so like exactly kidaren tse Hugo Bros azama ngoribonsa yona or you know awatlamelo selected player because of udlala ka kwa Europe mara tlamelo shebe ku Europe ko kae
mina uthi simple udayidi
so that's why bokimang enedlala le against Nkotha mobani Elias Mkwana ne badlala bali-2 so like Mkwana walwana fedi lena kasilanyana yatsayitsedi maka no sitlo moja number 11 salteng phela nomremi ukenya uchisa la ugcina and udlala yi-local wang understand so like Nkotha le yena already sabile libizwe la ko Hugo Bros matsakeng lena ke teng and then exactly of which is Hugo Bros believe go dintwaneng that we know.
Do you think Hugo Bros bekazomkhetha if Nkotha akadlala ngaku-Paris last season uvele waye-South?
I don't think
bekangeke
nenever mkhwethu
cha bengeke uthini
nenever
uyaphi
ngiyayithola into esho but why
udlala
awadlala enough games
for ukuthi singathi
recognize
lentwana le iyadlala le iyashisa
so last season udlale enough games ku-Pirates
umconvince
fair games fair games
mina ngizothi enough ngizothi enough do you know why
uthathole game it was because of behavior Saling if it wasn't for Saling okay maybe natodlala but
bekangeke amkhethe naleya team bingike imsayini naleya team bingike imsayini
usayiniwe kwamele ubonakala
no sengivumelana nawe ukuthi it's because of i-behavior kaSaling bengathola i-chance
okay natodlala maybe not but if it wasn't for Saling ngaba kusamzini
yes true
I still think like Nkotha the time analyze mo Pirates na shota elsewhere ka di-abilities tsa hae tsa lore ka ba
Yeah, bekangakabi
na so complete
lelo winger
ngoba like
winger,
le
winger.
national team coach kamselector uzobala
That is why mina noma
Wa-understand.
signa mina ngivele ngathi
so like phakathi imgayile ke mang Jose Revelo umgayile opportunity wa tsa keng ntwana tse diatla I think
Salenga, you
I
okay?
think-
No.
No,
Oh, out.
Jose Revelo
Raising Nkotha.
o di entse dintwana tse o di kaile platform ya hore you know what a leader just be you dlala polo ya hao o e tsebang wena o be grand and then leadereng ke tlo dula ntse ke etsho la di-player those senior players your Hotos your Sbisi those players tse groot like di-surroundings tsa dintwana tsele di bile grand for tsona ntwana tse lego tsa keng e re tlo etsa ntho e re etsang exactly ntho e re dlala le magotman so ke a tseba gore like ke protected so nna I need to do sponsor ka gore like magotman a kgone go kgothala
But I think it comes automatically. Let's say for an example, I'm not as young as maybe.
but then la dintwana tse o latelang
No, besides the fact. Let's say keep it mo TV. Mara ke omnyane, maybe same age mo ke goto. But ne le khona hore maybe player fita re khona e guide. Re mbontsha noma tuna phela nana ke a hopola Grensha. Bobo le ke Mankaucho. Sometimes don't allow out caloba phela ke what's about easy jwang mo game. Out calo tswa a tle bo bantwana lo ngiso tso ba grand na see. Le mo sona no watswa mo gaming what's ebo teng Kaucho pudi.
Exactly.
Out calo uri no mo isi tsa next time.
Exactly.
That it helps you to grow and you understand already game. I have people around you along bank frostan and bank.
Exactly. Because at the end of the day really the player rona ke rona re dlalang da coach o tlo go jwetsa ntho re tlamehile re etse but then a re dlala ka da a re le rona re dlala tlamehile rona re motivatane ka tselanyana tse ding like okay pule o me isa hapae
mara spirit my name
a tlamehile jalo re ya sharp momentum e tlo re isa da
okay perfect
bantol
yeah
tlamehile re go khutlisa ntwana ka tsa keng a ka etsa so mara re la re teng.
Sorry to cut my tree. Okay, bafethu sizoyivala ngohlompo ketana athika siflavor I mina ngithi uyagula la manje nina ngithi
kasi flavor yetsa
mina uthami ngizokutshela into eyi-one
uthe ngiyahlompeka kana
like I feel like he's being biased
uthe
I mean uthe I think it's based on Kaizer Chiefs game ne bese bawina umuntu walibamba waligawa umlungu walibamba yizwa lento uyangithola awuthiyami we are leading 3-1 ibhola lasemzansi lethu iski ushukela siyalibamba siyaligibela aboshake siyangithola that's what we love seeing mase siwina or whatever ne sharp iChiefs yawina uthiyami and bayacava ukuthi masiwina la qualifyile siyakuma group stage we confed uyangithola si happy asakori what more can we do stadium sigcwele basha amaflame uyangithola umuntu wathama ngithi ngilirabe waliraba umuntu wathi idolo ekasi uyangithola
as usual
uthi umlungu wathi wena akusinto yabantu abamnyama le akusinto yabantu abamnyama walibamba umlungu wathi uhlompa uthi nah this thing you're disrespecting players out here Brazil they do that
all the time
zokhwa uNeymar considered as disrespect to
uNeymar sadlala iBarcelona wayenza la yini ngiliya ze Madrid ze Atletico bezibona ukumkapa that day because bekazihwaya ibhola lakhe you can't change
umthole ngalo uzomela nje ulungise
the Samba boys
you can't change him umtshentshela
so i-complaint ka hlompela athi ngifuna ukwazi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi
that's why he's being biased. You know what he said Ari when you do such things you're disrespecting the opponent.
How so?
I don't know, maybe humiliating them or whatsoever. Sure. Okay. Then I was like, okay, I understand what you're saying. I kept quiet. Then he came back again. He was like, but he was going forward. Like, what are you saying? So is it okay?
It's humiliating.
Yeah, humiliating.
No,
I'm just speaking out. Obviously, when you like disrespecting you're humiliating a player.
Yeah, I'm usebenzisa lo gama le. Ukuwina 24 nil akusuhumiliate. amanye ama-play
kwamele kube ne-fair play
yena ukuscorer
bekangekho kule 24 nil
kule
so
24
why ama-play
Kule
ama-4
24.
wina 3-1
kule
kwi-elimination?
24 kuleyo tournament leyo uphume kwi-top goal scorer tournament because of he scored 8 goals in that
Kulelo
24.
game lelo.
Yeah.
So why
He
that's the
humiliated
thing.
that power
You're
team, power whatever.
disrespecting opponents more why but wina 24 akusi disrespect.
And at the time kunabo Vilakazi. Nabo Mahlambi kabadluli.
Mfethu so angaringani mfethu
No,
ayela
I-
abanye abantwana bayenze Akusibhola labo.
No, I think
uyazi angithi umkwabulo wala umkwabulo wala obvious umkwabulo wala
I think
obvious.
Hlophe mfethu lento le yashilo. I mean he should know better mfethu because of now South Africa we are known kakasifle e period. Yetsala week in week out. Yo Tito Maswana last season ko Kev na ipala amabholo kudini. Last time I checked up all foul. Now I say it's on to because of Kitties. I mean like they didn't fit parents they've been doing it from Khali. Yo Siso Mieni na Jagi. Kalinga wila there mo. Katani. Exactly. And then Fetu they didn't Fetu entertain already in defense because of what I did them decline. Katilanyana tidi. And obviously akakwasheva chizi mfano walingamba cross wenze whatever yayenzeni nako seyifedile velida 3-1 1-12. I mean like mfethu lena na express amchita katilanyana tidi and I know we yet ala lengeli like defense di tabis ngelo yeah nomlungu yayenza le blind Van Dijk cross this
and we are cross
blind
too much
no like
episode engingasho
we are pick up no what pick up no
yazinkinga yakhe ucross ne uyakhona ukuthi like a creative play but uthona limthetho there's that final thing wabona like out of feature like angacela ucross ne athi 1-2 kune window uyalibona ukuthi ikhamisele wena and umzimba wakho like umzimba wakho ubhekelile kuba ngathi police le mfethu uqala
ayezi
uyasaba njalo ibhola yakho makafika lapho ulisele emuva
well with that inalibanga abayona watsa ba ke tosho jwala una di play tse khona go sha di reverse pass la dingwe utshong o shebile kwa magasha yona yi
ukuthi
so like una di play tse lo go dahlule o yetsa la ding like it is with like o ba nomthetho they should train him how to pass phela dinge like kamele obe mnati mfethu ka pass kamele obe mnati ka pass wabona di okay yabo so kamele obe mnati like ka pass wabona like kubo di play tse tshwana le bo yo akbo ke mang lo mfana lo u Villa he can pass and especially the long pass a police he can pass long 1-12 kabelo dlamina kusabua ka yena because of yena ona lo ishebela kwa mfana makahla bona yi so like it comes natural kumthungo ojwalo yabo like uba like I think uba like yayitlela la idin kubona bathu 1-12
okay Steve ne win a game ne udlala as a winner right ube chance nesalang esawubathe exciting ball eyutholo leader do you tell like are you trying to tell me gore like it's a given opportunity you're there at the right time and you need to convert so you're telling me because you don't have that thing where now you can play in that position because you came across that position and score, you won't do it because of the player that you are.
You won't do it. In fact, obviously,
so Mbogani can attack the space. Mbogani. Yeah, Notibori can attack the space. Mbogazi can attack the space. And Mbogazi is good with the pinpoint pass. And mostly Pirates if Utolo or Con yesterday.
Okay.
Mbogazi wa twara polo ne. And most of the time Milwa should be come pass a keeper with keeper so.
Ukona pass. That I know. Exactly.
So
it's about pass.
Yeah, it's about pass. About not about tell as a space.
Wabona ke a tseba wa kgona ho etsa riding eo. Every player then wa tseba ho etsa ntho.
So
Boom. Ke agree le wena vele. Every player ya kgona ho etsa riding eo. In fact, ona le di-player tse le go no a dina that confident ya hore re ke etse riding. What if? Yes. Ona le di-player tse le go no like are you confident enough for ka etsa riding yana e jwalo. Ke a utlwa go cross
about IQ.
Something like that o ka be ya jwalo.
Conviction.
Creative player are you creative ka tsela nyana eo? O feel like e rile ke le ngwe yona no. Ai. Ke mo zone e nngwe no like wa bona like because of king I'm a defender, a left back, one shot. So
but I do get what you say.
One shot. Ke nthonyana tse jwalo because of like confident le yona e dlala role ko nthonyana ko situation yana tse so. What if ke yentse o yentse that pass ele and I have understand most space one shot. So like ke nthonyana tse jwalo. Wa bo.
Do you think about coach, let's say ngidlala 5 games and ngidlala i-position whereby ngazithola kumele ngishaye i-window pass or ngishaye i-pinpoint cross, maybe egamini eli-1 ngisithola kulawo ma-position noma 3 times and if bengingawashayile lawo ma-window leyo cross besingadla but angiwashayi maybe for 5 games. Do you think abo-coach bayakulanda ejimini bakugelezise leli ma ubhekile ama-team mawadlala?
Okay, I mean I believe like okay i-game day vandaag ne analyze the game. What the coach usually says, it's not what they do. For me. Sadala, okay, Steve Simbonile ukuthi uBayisomengu left, or Bayiso maybe shifting and whatsoever. Instead of working on shifting Steve like individual and everything, we rather focus on what the team is lacking than what Steve is lacking on. So Lento Guti with Steve maybe allow my chance in 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's something that he needs to work on it on his own. That's what they do, PSN. I believe.
Yeah, I believe also it's a do-it-yourself
thing. That's how it is. As if I'm going school set now. That's how it is. That's how actually I feel. But if they were to keep the players like their attention, I think we could have been like better in terms of doing those minor mistakes, passing the through balls, making sure to trap people, because in the gaming in Shabala pass people like Puma, if they trap a grand watch but manje ukuthi iphumile igaye enye player uthi khona izokukona ukumbala busele emuva. Yeah, ngicela siyigcibeni bafethu ngoba isikhathi sishayile.
Wena do you think so? Ukuthi it's individual or ucoach uyakulanda kugenzise yona?
I think le mfethu kumele wena as a player personal it's you it's on you. So ucoach kumele aspanele phezulu kwayo ngideng leyo wena onayo ukuthi kule uNthembu kawetha so I need to add more on that because of like uhlaba wena uyigelezise yona
so more add more fine ukuthi umgeleza ukuthi la kunala ma chance wathola imbo so now so you think the coaches do that?
Yeah, I think they polish mfana but then mina
time frame dog you must remember
opinion yami mina personally as a player mele ushama individual training work on
what you
kuzo lezo zinto lezo because of obviously kunama video analysis emathini icoach yabloma la line ibona ukuthi okay siya usiyogudi la yabona mina ngamshifta la ngamtshela ukuthi ayenze sona so shows don't understand that okay, so understand the IQ player.
Let's say coach ayenze riding then you do good but you find yourself in the same position maybe you win and you can't and maybe cross it pinpoint you can't.
So it goes back to that
so
individual
also you believe with its individual
you play
individual thing.
Take it forward and don't do uDubai knows ukuthi uhlala endaweni right makomekala
a convert
uyamosha. The coach never went to Dubai and said Ntwana ngizokunceda Mayo took it upon himself what Ntwana yazi wenzani if kwamele ngisale if kwamele ngisale
waya kuDubai
like ibathi no akayanga kuDubai into efana nokuthi masiceda ukujima ubonile ukuthi emagame yakho kwenzakalani and uyazi ukuthi what even if I have to stay now I'll do that. So you see it's something that you do individually but if there's someone gonna ukuthi man umuntu ne potential I can help ngoba sidlala i-department A1 ibhengi isinye strike bengizothi akufundi umuntu adlala, but what happens when you khawateka?
So
We still want umuntu ozokora
ile la le ngeso untswembu ngadideng le ngiyaspana ngiyayenza dideng ngizithola kule position ethize na esona
so reproducer
kumele ngenze whatever kumele ngiyenze yabo ngishaye leyo window ngebreak. So it comes to a point where angeke ngikhone la yabona confidence. So ile confidence tla kutsho ngwena utshitse unga never ukhona because of never utsibe awutsibe like awuyenzi phela game idlala ka di moments wa understand exactly ke ntwe ke tshong game idlala ka di moments itsela wa yetsa or ga o yetse. So I always say nna a re dlala re le ka mohara out of 100% 95% decision ke play.
Yeah,
probably 5% wena o yetsang guiding ye coach a batlang o ye coach o jotsa so wena yetsa ntho tlameleng o yetse coach na le hore a take a space sele mara wena wa bona ke ile le soba then that then mfetho wena le confident enough o tlo ya re mo le sobelele o ga ka yetsa right.
Okay, so I agree with it. Just it's a thing of individual.
Exactly.
Yeah,
you have to fix it yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now but we ask kwethu satla le kageng.
Wait ba ntle le. Abantu abamjotsa mqhinga.
Simon, ngokunokuhlala Simon athi kimi uyavuka ekseni ugijima uyabona ngokugijima uyiscora u start up isikhathi sokujima ukuke insimbi ngibuye ngizojima neteam vale ngama sit ups. That's me working on myself. And mangene eground ngokhona ukubona ukuthi
le fitness level yakho compared to abanye. Yeah.
Uyasijimela
side. Okay, so it's just players individual.
Yeah, for me.
So abo coach base South Africa amaplamba ke. Amaplamba ke. If it's like that.
Yazi must be angithi uzwile 10 manikhuluma neyethu.
Ama big team asekalenda a coach wabo ama coach match.
Besikhuluma ngani ngesikhukhule ne?
Yeah.
Babina noko.
Siwini sidliwe.
Yeah.
Right. Ngoba lento lokuthi abo coach bafika vele izinto zimnandi besikhuluma ngani
Yeah.
izinto zimnandi nebuka ka Liverpool.
Oh yeah, Liverpool.
Ngoba coach bafika lithini not want ubona lo umsebenzi wakhe
exactly. Because ngale njalo.
So uyabona ukuthi abo coach bayaspana ne play individual ukuthi intwana yami ukubonile wena the past 5 games kunento ongayenzi right ozala. Do you know why ngirezile? Because upush athini chiming ngasenzisa.
Yeah,
individual.
But exactly. Angithi either way
she was working on your abilities. Ukuthi wena ukuthi
as a player.
And then you check the division benguphi. Sicela.
Yabo.
No, that's why. Ngingambuza ukuthi why anesikhathi sonke sokwenza riding. Wangitshela ukuthi ngada njengoba ekadlala ngada. Yoba bajimisa kanjani. So that is why ngibuze ngama player ngayi. Bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi nizothi. So man it's players individual anyway. That means abo coach bangaya amaplama zama after la seva. Ngiyabukile enye into yase Spain beba I think yabona Onana bekavimbelani before imenu bekavimbe Spain. Bekangavimbe Spain.
Ngase Italy.
Milan. Before Inter Milan bekangese Spain.
Ngicavela ku Inter Milan.
Indaba ukuthi lo goalkeeper lo ya beba interview da it was a black guy. So being due to Onana. But if akusuye kids fine. That's what's he. Bebambuza i-difference yokujima ngada ne country yakhe goalkeeper wala eAfrica. Wathi i-difference ukuthi ngada sine time frame ukuthi sizijimi 9 ngo-11 siphumile ngo-12. So you have the whole day uzenzile into zakho. Ngada mangifike ngo-9
ngiphuma ngo-5
hamba ngo-5 it's a 9 to 5
yeah ispan
badlula
la clubhouse
ngiyenza yonke into ngizolithola igawula la ngizoyenza
but
each and every basic each and every mistake each and everything we fix.
They breathe, eat, sleep,
uyangithola,
watch, analyze everything football.
So you see ukuthi they work on players individual ukuthi okay lona lo sinibonile ozani la they work on maybe the whole week or 2 weeks or whatever uyangithola. But ngayi we have plumbers of note. That is why Ox namanje ufuna ukuthi abazi ukuthi akakwazi ukuphasa
unala wathola
ikhona into abayenzayo
unala ngathi ayikho because kwamele seka improve
plumbers sayivala ke
another thing yabona lento ekhulumayo ukuthi uOx bayazi ukuthi akakwazi ukuphasa Yeah, no, Oxu has na ukuthi akwazi ukuphasa. Why don't he work on himself? Do you think he's working on himself? Kunalawa 20 ball kwamele ashaya count waphasa ngaphandle ibhola.
Macabanga ke usijimi 9 to 11 or 9 to 12. After 12 ucabanga ibhola mawubhekile wena.
Cabanga ibhiya. Angazi.
Asiyivala.
Hayi, obese sesivayile kanjalo ke ngo-Ox.
Hayi ngo-Ox players.
So senzoyela lapho comment section ukuthi ngithini. Ni like, ni follow, ni subscribe, ningasikhohlwa bafethu, nami ningilike nesayidini lami ngiyi-1 ngiyala.
Yeah, bafethu, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, with their friends of their friends of their family.
Word of mouth.
Shibobo make.
Kanjani?
Yeah, sure, bafethu. Simnandi.
I-producer ethu kwaqile.
Like, subscribe and everything. Bafethu singakhohlwa ukubukela igame laFandag bafethu. Sundowns, Orlando Pirates.
Bathi kudlala iNigeria neSouth Africa.
Sibonge, danko.
Kudlala iNigeria neSouth Africa Fandag.
Nigeria ubani? Sundowns ne? Ngoba kusithi.
Thixo.